Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 21. So basically, our product name is Eyestick, which is a smart blind stick. For our team members, we have Tham Heng as a CEO and R&D lead, and Loi Zheng Jie, which is me, CTO and CFO. And the last one is Naiman Nazri. He as a marketing and operation manager. So for introduction, basically this project involves industry like chips, real-time feedback and user interface, GPS and AI. So in particular, the issues of real-time feedback and user interface has always been a major technical barrier and a pain point for the industry. So visually impairment individuals face daily mobility challenge, especially in crowded or unfamiliar environments. So the pain point in our product or in this product is difficulties in charging the stick at its required wires and no real-time feedback on the location and less advanced sensors on the camera or any optic equipment that might be disturbed by the environment. So now and then is no indicator about how the environment is. So basically, it will be the pain point for this product. So next, I will give to our friends, which is Naiman, to explain what is our core technology, and then will explain how it functions. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Naiman Nazri, and I will be explaining about the core technology of our product. Now, our product has a key technology called eye contact, which contains a camera that captures real-life footage of their surroundings. And then this video will be transferred into a microcontroller called the Arduino Uno, which then would be analyzed to ensure that their surrounding is in the correct pathway and also there's no obstacle ahead. And let's say if there's any potential danger up ahead, it will send out a specific vibration as an alert system. Now, our vibration alert system has three types, which one has their specific meaning, being one for obstacle, another one for wrong direction, and lastly, one is for low battery. This makes navigation simple and more easier for user. Now, on the right side, you can see that how the technology comes together, which contains the camera, the chip, AI processing, GPS, real life feedback interface, and support with safe mobility. And based on our experiment using real-time object tracking, the system has achieved around 90% of accuracy even in low visibility condition, showing its reliability on a daily basis. Moving on to market opportunity, we see that our product is actually experiencing a rapid global demand due to the increase of individual with vision impairment. Right now, we see that over 2 billion people worldwide have some sort of form of vision impairment, and due to this, the demand is very, very high. Currently, with the normal blind stick, we see that the value of the blind stick is around 400 to 800 million US dollars previously in 2024. It is expected to grow significantly and it is projected to expand 10 to 15% annual growth rate, reaching several billion dollars by 2022. Now, this chart shown illustrate this upward trend clearly, with the market rising from around 829 million to over 1.2 billion dollars in just a few years. Now, for the estate, this creates a powerful opportunity to position ourselves with a rapidly expanding sector, potentially collaborating with medical facilities, eye clinics, rehabilitation centers, NGOs, government disability programs, and also technology distribution.
Hi, next I will continue with our business model. For the profit method, we have direct sales, which is through e-commerce and also retail store, business to business sales, which is through the NGO and also with hospital and also with governments such as Minister of Health. And then we have subscription model. The user has to subscribe to our apps in order to use the GPS functions in the smart blind stick. And then our sales channel is going to be have three, which is from online and then direct sales with hospital and also partnership with Malaysia Association for the Blind, which is MAB. And our revenue example is going to be from the sales of the smart plastic monthly app subscription for the GPS function, and also we have an expected growth margin around 35% to 40%. And our future expansions is going to start with selling in Malaysia and then expand it to ASEAN country and also globally. And our production line growth, we are planning to add some advanced versions of Smart Plastic in our sales, which is including the AI cameras, and also we are going to introduce more assistive devices for the elderly and visual impaired community. That's all from me, and thank you.